How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I am very excited and humbled because we just hit 650 subscribers. Just last week, I was at 450 towards the end of the week, and we hit 500 on Friday, I think. So I'm investing $5 for each new subscriber, and we've been gaining subscribers so quick, it's hard for me to invest because I like to invest once a week, but we're gonna have to do a little bit quicker than that now. So I had to invest from 465 up to, I'm getting up to 600 today, 600 subscribers. So I had to invest about $675 worth. And I plan on investing $750 when we hit 750 subscribers, which might just be in a day or two at this point. So, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video. It really does help out the channel and it's much appreciated. But this is just something I'm doing from 86 subscribers up to 1,000 subscribers to kind of give back and show you what a growing portfolio looks like and to show you what I'm buying each week. So I think that will be helpful for everyone watching. So I invested, like I said, $675 today. I'm going to take you through each stock that I bought and why I bought it. And this will be a little bit shorter of a video. I'm not going to go super in depth on any of these stocks, but hopefully this informs your decisions maybe a little bit. Just know I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on YouTube. So I appreciate it, guys. We'll get into it here. My portfolio in Robinhood is still a lot smaller than my portfolio in M1 Finance. In M1 Finance, I'm sitting around almost 13,000. In my total investments are about 26 or 27,000, but in Robinhood, 2,200. And I'll take you through each of these stocks that I bought. The first stock that I bought was actually Realty Income, and I bought it for about $57 a share, and I bought $230 worth. I know that Realty Income is going to do well over time. They pay monthly dividends, and they hold these triple net leases, which are very long-term leases between 10 and 15 years with their tenants. And they have really high grade, high quality tenants. So I'm excited to add some shares there. I hold them also in my M1 portfolio, but I want to get a little bit more into them with Robinhood here. So I bought 4 shares of them. And the next stock that I bought was Qualcomm. So I just bought 1 share there. If you don't know what Qualcomm is, they are a 5G provider. So we are moving to 5G phones from 4G. It's a lot quicker, 100 times quicker. You can download movies within seconds, and they are going to be, I think, huge in the future when you look at the new technology that we'll need coming forward with self-driving cars, with different medical instruments, with cell phones. I think after we move to 5G, it's going to be really hard to want to get a 4G phone anymore. So I think Qualcomm will do quite well. They also pay a nice little dividend, so I was excited to add another share there. And, for some people, this isn't a lot of money, but for me, $80 or $675 throughout the day, that is a pretty good amount to invest. So, it's all relative here, but I wanted you to know that too. The next stock that I bought was DHT, which is an oil tanker stock. It's dipped down pretty significantly since I bought it at first. I think I bought about when it was 15% higher or something. It was in the high 6s when I bought, and I bought here in the upper 5s. I just bought 4 shares because I already hold a good amount of oil tanker stocks. So I just wanted to add a little bit to my position here. And I think that they're a good buy. If you know my channel, I talk about oil tanker stocks a lot, especially NAT stock. But I think DHT is a good quality stock that will do well into the future. And I don't think that they're a pump and dump stock. So I added some shares there. I also added some shares of Scorpio Tankers, which I hold this in my M1 portfolio, but they are a company that was at $39 a share just at the beginning of the year, kind of went down throughout the year, and they're sitting around $17 now. And I added some shares with them. I'm excited to hold them because I think that they'll double in the next few years. And I think that they are just really over leveraged compared to these other oil tanker stocks, but in a time where they're earning a lot of money, that can kind of go for them because a lot of people were nervous that they were over leveraged and they wouldn't be able to pay what they needed to and everything like that. But they're earning so much money now, I think that they are undervalued. So I added some shares there. The next stock that I actually sold was Coca-Cola. So I didn't have fractional shares when I started Robinhood, and I wanted to buy Pepsi and I preferred Pepsi to Coca-Cola, but Pepsi was $130 or something like that around the time. So I couldn't buy them without putting a lot of money in the stock. So I bought Coca-Cola. I was up maybe $1 on Coca-Cola, and I just sold it and then bought Pepsi with that money. So nothing big there. I just added that in there because I really wanted Pepsi in the first place. And then the big buy of the day was actually Facebook. So they are one of my top stocks. I might slow down on buying them here soon because I have a significant amount of my portfolio in them, and I'm getting around closer to 10%, probably around 6 or 7% now of my portfolio is in Facebook. But I feel like they're such a good buy. They are increasing their users, they're increasing the amount of money that they can make for each user, and I think that they're going to do quite well into the future. They're moving into the e-commerce space, so I'm excited to invest more in them now. And I think that they are a stock that could go up to 300 by next year, by the end of this year maybe even. But I bought in when they're about 230. In my M1 portfolio, my average cost basis was right around 155. And then I bought more when it hit 220 once they had some big news about their e-commerce business coming out in shops. And then I also just sold ADT. They were a referral free stock that I got from someone, so I sold them off, and I think I actually had gotten them for like $6 or $7, and then they sold off for $8, so that's kind of nice. But they were just another stock that I didn't really need to hold on to, but I appreciate you for referring me and giving me that stock, whoever did that. So if you guys are interested in getting free stocks, there are links below to WeBull and Robinhood and M1 Finance, but you get free stock if you just open an account with Robinhood. I don't even think you have to fund it. You can just get free stock. With WeBull, if you invest $100, then you will get 2 free stocks, and I'll get 2 free stocks. And then if you refer someone else, they have a promotion right now where you can get 3 free stocks if you refer someone else. So I appreciate it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was useful if you want to invest in some of these companies. But let me know what you think below. Are you investing in these companies? Are you investing at all? I've been talking about how I am still bullish on stocks just in general. I'm always going to be buying. So that is my viewpoint on that. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.